Hey all, welcome to my channel Basic Knowledge English Telugu. Today let's learn what is Ramanujan Award. Ramanujan Prize is counted amongst the most prestigious awards in the world in the field of mathematics. Young mathematicians below the age of 45 are given the Ramanujan Award for making a new identity in the field of mathematics. The award was instituted in the year 2005 in the memory of great Indian mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan, and since then it has been running every year. It is also called International Center for Theoretical Physics Ramanujan Prize. However, the name was changed to the DST ICTP IMU Ramanujan Prize this year, that is 2012. The honor, which has been named after Indian mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan, was first awarded to Brazilian mathematician Marcelo Viana in 2005. Sujata Ramdurai was the first Indian to receive the Ramanujan Prize. Along with Sujata, young mathematicians Amalendu Krishna and Ritabrata Munshi have also been awarded the prestigious awards in 2015 and 2018. Indian mathematician Neena Gupta has been awarded 2021 DST ICTP IMU Ramanujan Prize for young mathematicians from developing countries. She has become the fourth Indian mathematician and third woman to win the coveted award. Neena Gupta won the 2021 title for her work in geometry and algebra. Ramanujan Prize carries a cash award of $15,000 and the recipient is invited to deliver a lecture at ICTP. Here's the list of all the Ramanujan Prize awardees. Hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe and share.